So what I'm hearing and what I'm seeing is that this person came back because they was planning on being with me in some kind of way. And the only thing that could have changed that is an illusion. Because ever since that happened, I've been waiting. And I feel like if it's anything else, like if this is really a God or somebody that can go into my Akashic or something, they already knew. Or somebody been watching me, they already knew what was going on. And they knew that I wasn't doing anything, and that's why they came back. It's nothing is still going on, unless it's something that's happening as an illusion because of these witches and sorcery, is what this is. And this person thought he saw me, which could be somebody else, and, decided not to go this route. That's the only thing it could be, because everything is good around here. I ain't been on shit. So I feel like whatever, he married the sea watch or the sea witch, and now he's stuck, but he's not really stuck. All he would have to do is come to me, because I don't know how to get to him. It sounds kind of cold and harsh, but it's like, could you imagine being a part of this secret program or whatever the fuck this was? And noticing that you're sleeping in the same house with possibly the enemy, and maybe he don't even know he the enemy. Maybe his body is being used to do something. You know what I'm saying? Maybe he has been altered or mind controlled in a certain way. But that's what they want. They wanted me to be left out in the cold in this snow that's happening right now. Right? That's what they wanted. But I believe justice will be served. It's nothing else. We talked about the paper bag energy and all that. I feel like I think the ocean chose me, and that's why he came back here. Period. And now they're trying to change it into my child or somebody else or all this other stuff, and it's just me the whole time. And this person just abandoned me, not even talking to me or asking me what the truth was. This person must have went to everybody else. It's sad. It's really sad.